Root cause analysis is a problem-solving technique used to identify the underlying cause of a problem or issue. RCA is a systematic approach that helps organizations to understand and resolve issues in a way that prevents them from happening again. The RCA process typically involves the following steps. Identify the problem. The first step in RCA is to identify the problem or issue that needs to be addressed. This could be a product defect, a customer complaint, or a process failure, among others. Collect data. Once the problem has been identified, data related to the problem should be collected. This could include information such as when the problem occurred, what the symptoms were, and how long it lasted. Analyze the data. After collecting the data, it is analyzed to identify potential causes of the problem. This analysis could involve techniques such as brainstorming, cause and effect diagrams, and statistical analysis. Determine the root cause. Once potential causes have been identified, the RCA team should work to determine the root cause of the problem. The root cause is the underlying reason why the problem occurred. Develop corrective actions. With the root cause identified, the RCA team can develop corrective actions to address the problem. These actions should be designed to prevent the problem from recurring. Implement corrective actions. Once corrective actions have been developed, they should be implemented. This could involve changes to processes, training of personnel, or other actions. Monitor and verify results. Finally, the effectiveness of the corrective actions should be monitored and verified to ensure that they are working as intended. RCA can be applied to a wide range of industries and situations, including manufacturing, healthcare, and software development. It is an important tool for improving quality and preventing problems from recurring.